it's just you and I, perfectly alone. Darling, I'm not scared to die. Oh, I was calling all alone, waking up in Barcelona, breathing in the cars.
3 points in marriage. First, don't take God for granted. Second, don't take each other for granted. Third, don't take your children for granted. Develop those points, Father. Di po sa Kaminion giving you na. Don't think what you can get from your wife or your husband. Think what you can give. Jobim, miyani ba ikaw sa imong kabubuto na pagbukos kanunay sa imong kagalingon diha sa pagugma pag-alagad sa imong asawa?
Oo, Padre.
Marceline, kini si Jobim nga niya karon dinhi dawaton ba nimo siya na imong bana sumala sa lagda sa atong inahang Santa Iglesia?
Dawaton, Padre.
Ayon ka ba ngayong asawa?
Oo, Padre. O yun.
Dawaton mo ba sa imong bana?
Dawaton, Padre.
Fever dreams of indigo, stars are floating down below. I'm waking in your arms.
Marceline, kini si Jobim nga niya karon dinhi dawaton ba nimo siya na imong bana sumala sa lagda sa atong inahang Santa Iglesia?
Dawaton, Padre.
Ayon ka ba ngayong asawa?
Oo, Padre. O yun.
Dawaton mo ba sa imong bana?
Dawaton, Padre.
Marceline, isulod kining singsing timaan sa akong paghigugma o pag-unong tanim sa ngalan sa Amahan ug sa Anak ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I will hold you when you're breaking, like a father and a friend. And I will carry you through darkness till we see the sun again. So rest your head and cry your tears. Know that I am with you here when you can't live that way. Believe me when I say I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the first license to kiss of Jobim to his beloved wife, Marceline.
Bongga!